Hello, beauties. Guess who partnered with their favorite brand again? I collaborated with NaturALL Club to bring you this video. Ever since my first review on their avocado hair mask, this brand has been in my top 10. So I was beyond excited to see their new Flaxseed gel hairline. So without further ado, let's get this NaturALL Moisture Day started. And y'all already know, there's going to be a giveaway. Before I start my style, I'm using the avocado pure oil. Before my hair got dried, I added the custard all over my hair first. Then I went into smaller sections and applied more custard. This custard is light and settled, not heavy. My hair absorbed it all. It wasn't slimy, wasn't sticky. It was super light to the point where you thought like, am I adding enough? This is what I really love when a product is not too heavy, it doesn't weigh the hair down. It just melts into the hair. Next, I'm holding all that popping definition with the curl defining flaxseed gel. And yes, that is correct. I'm using both of their stylers to do my wash and go. I was not worried about a flake. I was not worried about my hair getting crunchy. I was not worried about a thing because I knew NaturALL was gonna come with a bomb ass product, and I'm like, I need to use both all at one time because I knew I was gonna get some bomb definition. I love how light and airy these products are. It doesn't weigh down the hair like most gel, doesn't leave a sticky feeling. The smell, wet smell, it's not overbearing at all. This was a really well-absorbing, moisturizing hairline. You guys know I love flaxseed gel, and this one being from NaturALL, it's definitely gonna be added to my stash. I really hope they come with like a leave-in conditioner or a hair moisturizing lotion. That would be super dope. So this style is all finished up. I give a little swing to my hair. I allow my hair to air dry, and I'm gonna show you guys how well this style held up for the whole week. To complete, I used the Flaxseed Gel Edge Control to lay down these two twists just to finish off and complete the style. And honey, do y'all see that? Yes, work it, boo. Y'all ready for some flaxseed? Because it's giveaway time. This is open to US and Canadian naturals. To enter, just make sure you open that description box below the video and click on that link so you can enter your information. It's very important because if you don't enter your information on that list, you will not be considered for this giveaway. Please make sure you are following my YouTube channel along with my Instagram channel. That will be linked also at the bottom of the video. Good luck, beauties! I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to give a big special thanks to NaturALL for sending this amazing product again to me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys for the next video.